YouTube Premium is a paid membership that amplifies your experience on YouTube. Premium offers ad-free, uninterrupted viewing on YouTube across all your devices, including access to YouTube Music Premium. We now also offer Premium Lite, a lower-priced option that lets you watch most videos ad-free. Just note, ads may still appear on music content, shorts, or while searching or browsing. YouTube Music Premium is also available as a standalone subscription, providing ad-free access to millions of songs and podcasts, offline listening, and background playback on the music app. YouTube has several types of plans to fit your lifestyle and budget: individual monthly plans, multi-person plans, and a student plan. First, let's go over YouTube Premium's individual monthly plans. Individual plans are meant to be used by one person and cannot be used by multiple people sharing the same account. Note, an individual plan is renewed on a monthly basis, but you can cancel at any time. In addition to monthly plans, we also offer prepaid plans in select countries. These can be paid for up to 24 months in advance and do not automatically renew. Check out the article in the description for details on availability in your region. Now, let's go over our multi-person plans, which allow you to share the benefits of Premium with others. Share Premium benefits with up to 6 people in your household with a family plan. Or choose the 2-person plan and share with just one other person in your household. Just note that both plans require all members to reside in the same household as the family manager. The 2-person plan is available only in select countries, so be sure to check the article in the description for more details on availability and how to set up family plans on YouTube. If you're a full-time student at an approved higher education institution, you could be eligible for a YouTube Premium student membership. To qualify, you must be 18 or older and enrolled in a college or university and have your student status verified.
If you meet the requirements for a student membership, you'll be eligible for up to 4 consecutive years of student membership. Just remember, you'll have to re-verify your eligibility every year.
To learn more about our paid membership offerings for YouTube Premium, check out the articles in the description. Availability may vary by country or region. Thanks for watching.